One way that attraction can be explained is through learning. One learning theory that can be used to explain attraction is social learning theory, developed by Bandura. There are 4 factors in social learning theory which can be applied when explaining attraction, and this learning can take place within the family or by observing peers in society. The first factor is attention, and in the case of attraction, we can observe our parents in a relationship within the family home. We then remember this behaviour known as retention, and then imitate this behaviour using the skills that we have, for example, the ability to find someone attractive, which is innate for humans as demonstrated by a study whereby babies showed a preference for more attractive faces. We are motivated to imitate this behaviour as when we see our parents happy because they are in a relationship with someone that they find attractive, this acts as a reward, and so we are motivated to receive this reward. This theory is therefore also applicable to peers as well as other people in society, as observing our peers in attractive relationships and this being rewarding to them makes us motivated to imitate this behaviour. This can also be generalised to the population, as once a preference arises in a population for what is considered attractive, then this can lead to the spread of preferences within that population, as individuals may preferentially copy the choices of those with higher status or better access to critical information about potential mates. This can then explain cross-cultural differences, as preferences for certain traits arise within a population. This links to another aspect of attraction, which is culture. In different cultures, there are different expectations of what is attractive. For example, in the UK, women with a full lips, a slim face and large eyes is seen as attractive, whereas in China, women with a small mouth and lips and an egg-shaped face and a narrow jaw is seen as attractive. This could be due to the different cultural differences, but also due to social learning theory, as a preference for attractiveness spreads within that population. This then links to another factor affecting attractiveness, which is the media. There is a thin standard of attractiveness for women, and the mass media are responsible for this, as they promote a slimmer, more weight-conscious standard for women than for men. In addition, the standard of bodily attractiveness for women is slimmer now than has been in the past. For example, research has shown that Miss America and Playboy centerfolds have become increasingly thinner between 1960 and 1979, meaning that this affects what is seen as attractive, and thin females are seen as more attractive. Therefore, these are some explanations that show that attraction is due to learning.